Tibrekum demonstration B basic school ho e de ero ne yekofa en yen koso fo be de kire ya wo hwa nwomasuya so gifty chumampofo ne nsema wo de to achechefo animu so ma de sua ne ade kire ne nya kono se be yasuafo no so ba woni beka e wo de kire wo mu no.
Right to play and a share bilateral learning exchange on quality education as ye show men adesua honsem so ene Sierra Leone aka wo ho abomu a wo ye no so dwumadie ekoso e wo Malam cluster of schools ya e honom na right to play eboa adesuafo e wo wonom play to learn initiative nimu give the two man pofo e yesoafo abi de akira wo hwe adesua honsem so.
Interesting, this cluster of schools are doing well because the attitude of teachers, interaction of teachers with people are so much that I'm sure the people didn't have any option than to run to school every day because the environment is friendly and teachers are doing something extra. So after all, the public schools haven't gone so down, but it's about commitment and school environment. So I appeal to teachers and heads of schools to make the school's environment as friendly as possible.
Emimina, a chief program officer, Emma Right to Play International. Now, ono so kire nienti a hu hia se akyekirefo efa agudie kwan so e de kire enkola adie.
There's been amazing results here, both in terms of the way children are learning using play, in terms of the way teachers and children are engaging, interacting, and maintaining their enthusiasm for learning, for being at school all the time. And that's also facilitated by play-based approaches that Right to Play has introduced into the schools.
Enweche and Dr. David Singer were here swafo hwa adesua honsem so e wo Sierra Leone e de nsem bi eto yamani buni enim.
Yeah, to exchange ideas, to learn from each other is important. Many people from the continent are used to living here. You go to Norway, or you go to America, or you go somewhere to learn from them. But we forget that what we have in our own backyards, in our own communities, often is more appropriate and is even better suited to help us do what we need to do.